This is Pat Iyer with Legal Nurse Business, and today I wanted to talk with you about what it feels like to be in the woods with your business. I'm sitting here at Lake Tahoe in California, enjoying a beautiful spring day and thinking about what it felt like when I started my business. I realized that in order to be successful in business, I had to be persistent. I had to learn how to do marketing. I had to learn how to do invoicing. I had to learn how to put systems in place to make my business efficient. I persisted. I continued step by step, client by client, and realized that I was building a business with repeat business and referrals. After a while, I realized that I couldn't do it all by myself, and that's why I hired my first employee who took over the invoicing. I hired a second employee when business continued to build, and then I ended up hiring a legal nurse consultant to work in my business. With their assistance, the business got stronger and stronger. There were times that I felt overwhelmed, and I realized that it would be so easy to give up. But I persisted. You too can build a strong business for yourself by being persistent, by paying attention to your marketing, by figuring out what are the words, what are the concepts, what are the qualities that attorneys look for in a legal nurse consultant, and how can you provide those to your clients. Be sure to stop by legalnursebusiness.com for your free reports. I would love to help you build your business, and if you're interested in having an experienced legal nurse consultant as a coach, please give me a call and let's talk.